Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
HRS field is also divided. One is ID and one is the label. Okay. So you can see here the length. Maximum length, ID visibility required. This bracket which you are seeing here, in that, whatever options which you are seeing, this is called the attributes of that particular field. Okay. What is called? It is called as an attribute of that particular field. Okay. What is the field name? Location, group ID. Right. For the location group ID, what is the attributes? The maximum length, the visibility required. These are the attributes of each field. So here you can see, HRS field is what? Location, group ID. Okay. What is the length of this location? Group ID. Attitude. Right. So in the front end, suppose, if I'm going here and making a correction and I'm just typing something, it will show. Can you see here? Maximum length allowed is 32 characters. Got it. So why it is coming? Because that is being configured and define it in the XML. Okay. Similarly, visibility equal to both means it can be readable as well as editable. Okay. That is required equal to true means if you are keeping required equal to false, or else if I'm removing totally this option I'm totally removing means you are making that field as a not mandatory. Yeah. Okay, so either we have an option of removing this entire part, or you can keep it as false. In both the cases it will show here as not mandatory. Okay. Now you can see location group description. This is a not mandatory field. Got it. So if you want to make any field mandatory, then you have to update that attribute in the XML. So these are the attributes which you're seeing. The length visibility required. These are the attributes. Okay. Including the code. We should not go and test. If you want to do anything which is related to the label part, we can do the changes here. Okay. It is editable. Okay. And again you can see after this the same sequence in after English translation. The other translation will be showing here. Can you see the other translation? Yes. Now, after completion of the other translation, it will take you to the second field. What is the second field? Location, group name right. So before starting up the location group, the same designing structure will be there. Attributes of that particular field. Therefore location group name. You can see here location group name. It is not a mandatory field. So when I go back here you can see maximum length. They have kept it as 32, visibility, they have kept it as both. Okay. And we have updated that. We can update the label. ID will be the standard one. OK. And then you have a translation. Then after that, when you scroll down after the translation, the third field will be reflecting. Right. Description, the attribute of the description. OK. So we can see after when we started with HRS element. Under the HRS element, the sequence will be the label translation and all the standard HRIS fields. That starts with the code name description. And, furthermore, it will be going down the status and everything will be showing here. Status. OK. Then after the status, you can have start date right. Start date will be there. So if you go here, you can see start date effectively. Right. This is the start date. But if you go and scroll down we cannot find. We have the end date but you can see visibility. They have kept as none. Not readable, not editable, so it is not visible. They have kept it as none. So when you go back into the system, can you see any end date here? It is not there. Right. So they have hidden that particular field. OK. That it is showing here again. Translation will be there. And when you scroll down, we have now, after all, the standard fields, after completion of all the standard fields, after completion of all the standard fields, it starts with the custom fields. OK. So if you want to add any custom field in the HRIS element, that is in the foundation of it, the custom field in XML. It is divided into 4 parts. 1 is custom string, 1 is custom number, 1 is custom date and 1 is custom decimal. OK. So when you go here, already 2 fields I have used as a custom field location area and location area list. This I have created as a custom field. So when I go here you can see location, area and location list. I have created as a custom field. Can you see here? Yes. Yeah. OK. So how we have created that, I will show you in the coming sessions. But same thing, when you are going and creating it here, you can see when I scroll down. Let me scroll down also. You can see custom string, string 3. It is showing. Right. So when we discuss about custom, field is divided into 4 parts, that is, custom string, number, date and decimal. So every custom field will be having. SAP has given 10 to 20 options they have given to create the records. So when we discuss about, when we see custom string, so custom string numbers are 20. So already custom string 1 and 2 are already used. Right. So how much it is left? 18 are there. Right. So 18. So you can see custom string 3 is there. You can see custom string 4 is there. Right. 5 is there like this. We have around custom string 20. So when I scroll down 10, 16, custom string 19. And when I scroll down, you have custom string 20 and after 20, what you can see. When I scroll down, you can see custom date is coming. Right. You can see custom date is coming here. Right. So total custom string, we have 20, which we can enable so that also it is controlled from SAP. Okay. So if the customer has already utilized 20, then customer don't have any option. In the coming release, if the SAP is introducing some more strings, they are increasing 5 more from 20 to 25. That is from SAP side. Okay. So otherwise, SAP has given these number of options for creating. So string, we have.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.